On top inside Edo today, and on top Obaseki industrialization drive for Edo State. Edo State Government don't put 3 billion naira on top Benin Enterprise Park, Edo Production Center and others. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don't talk say him administration go put 3 billion naira for ground to develop Benin Enterprise Park, Benin River Port, Edo Production Centers and other ogbonge plans wey Edo State Government gets to grow Edo State industries them for year 2020. For statement, Edo State Government talk am say this money so na part of Godwin Obaseki administration plan to grow industrialization for the state, as this one go better Edo State economy well. Governor talk say with all this kind plan, Edo people social welfare and economic development go better, and before person go blink eye tey, Edo go don become progressive state. He talk say Edo Production Center don already be part of ogbonge plan to grow industrialization for the state, and say ogbonge work don already start on top Benin Enterprise and Industrial Park, and dem don already settle with textile company wey go come dey sell for the park there, as e be say this money go reach take grow Edo State economy make e better. Make una sabi say Edo Production Center na ogbonge place wey artisans and small and medium enterprise wey be SMEs dem for the work. Dem dey get 24 hours light, security dey ground, water, internet and ogbonge buildings dey ground for the center. Dem still fit dey get small loans from there too. All these artisans and SMEs dem dey put body for polythene production, furniture, shoemaking and leather works, toothpick and cottonwool production, welding wey be iron and brass plus fabrication, ice block production, cosmetics production, hair extensions, garment production, waste recycling and plenty other ogbonge works dey go on for there. Edo State Government come still yarn am say dem go soon build another of this kind facility put for Edo Central and Edo North senatorial districts for the state. Now here we see this ogbonge update reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Edo State Government don put 3 billion naira for ground to grow Benin Enterprise Park and Edo Production Center. Make this one for carry Edo State economy grow well. Make una sabi say this ogbonge informate wey waka come meet una so na T Live Media na im bring am come give una. And to get more of these updates, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Like and follow us on top Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for T Live Media. Una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.